I will give you 5 reasons to make this jalapeno popper cheese ball right now. You don't need any soaking overnight, you don't need any blending, you don't need any straining. It takes just 5 minutes to put together and it uses just a few easy everyday ingredients. If you need an amazing appetizer for a picnic or a potluck, you need to make this cheese ball. If you have some surprise guests or a surprise party, make this cheese ball. If you're craving a spicy, cheesy snack this evening, you guessed that right, make this cheese ball. So let's make this jalapeno popper cheese ball. First, we're gonna mix some non-dairy yogurt or vegan cream cheese with some miso, some brine from the pickled jalapeno jar, a little bit of optional oil, some salt, pepper, nutritional yeast, onion powder and garlic powder. This is our flavor base. You can add more flavors here like some Dijon mustard. If you wanted more cheesy, then some more nutritional yeast. Then fold in the chopped jalapeno and the chopped pickled jalapeno into the mix. Add in your almond flour and mix that really well until it comes together into a sticky dough. Then wet your hands or grease your hands and bring that all together into a ball. Drizzle a little bit of oil, sprinkle a little bit of paprika, nutritional yeast, some more jalapeno if you want. Put it on a parchment lined baking dish or a baking sheet, and then we bake it at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, and that is it. All those flavors would have melted after baking and it will be nice and creamy and cheesy inside with a smoky crisp outside. Carefully transfer the cheese ball onto your serving platter and enjoy. It's perfect with crackers, veggies, or whatever else you want to use the cheese ball with. It also is a great spread. You can add it to sandwiches or take scoops of it and put it in your salad. The possibilities are endless. Do let me know in the comments if you tried this cheese ball as well as how you used it. Also, don't forget to review it on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, and so much more. If you're looking for more cheese balls, I have everything bagel cheese ball, my stuffing flavored cheese ball, and if you want a nut-free version, I have a nut-free cheddar cheese ball as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.